Welcome to Cooking and Entertaining with Lolita. Lolita will be sharing a unique recipe today for an upside-down banana cake.
I'm Lolita. Welcome to Cooking and Entertaining with Lolita. Today, I'm going to make the first dessert for this channel. It's a comforting dessert. I'll be making an upside-down banana cake. This is the banana that I am using. It's not a regular banana. It is a type of banana called milk banana. In Chinese, it is called nai jiao. It has a tangy, sweet, and sour taste, which is very unique. So this will be a special banana upside down cake. Let me show you the other ingredients. In addition to the banana, we will need 1.5 cup of sifted flour, half a cup of brown sugar for the batter, 2/3 cups of muscovado sugar for caramel, 1 egg, 1 cup of unsalted butter, half teaspoon salt, teaspoon baking powder, teaspoon baking soda, teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally a cup of buttermilk. You'll need 10 by 10 springform baking pan. Line the pan with non-stick baking paper. Let's get started. Turn the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 356 Fahrenheit. The first step is to make the caramel sauce. Cut the butter in cubes and put into the saucepan. Here's the cube butter. I'm adding it to the pan. For the caramel, I only need a half a cup of butter. Let's melt the butter on medium heat. After the butter has melted, add the muscovado sugar and stir until the sugar melts. Take your time and do it slowly. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to add the vanilla extract. The caramel is starting to bubble. Make sure you keep your eye on it. Now it's done. I have sprayed non-stick cooking spray under the paper. The next step is to pour the caramel into the baking pan. Spread it out evenly. Leave this on the side while we make the batter. We need 6 bananas in total. We will add the mashed banana into the batter. The next step is to line the banana on top of the caramel. Let's do it in a circular pattern. You can have a different design. I decided to add more bananas. Milk banana usually shorter than regular bananas. I use 5.5 banana in all. For the butter, I'm going to add the other half cup of butter. Whisk the butter for a little bit. Next, add the sugar. Combine the butter and sugar together. Sorry, we just had a video malfunction. We did not get all the shots of the ingredients going into the batter. But I will tell you what I added in. To this batter, I added cinnamon powder, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and buttermilk, mashed banana. Then I added the flour. Mix it, but don't over mix it. The next step is to add the batter into the baking pan. Smooth it out. Give it a few taps to remove the bubbles. Now it's ready to go into the oven. The oven is at 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure the rack is in the center position. Go. Bake now for 35 to 45 minutes or until the toothpick come out clean. I have baked it for 40 minutes and now it's done. Next, put a knife around the inside of the pan, all the way around. Now we will need a big plate. Let's split the cake over carefully. There you go. Let me open the pan up. Ooh, wow, see? Look how pretty. I'm gonna add some sea salt to the top of the cake. This will add an extra dimension to the caramel. Let's have a taste of my upside down banana cake. So, here it is. It's soft and moist, and the sugar is balanced. The milk banana makes it sweet and sour. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please comment below if you try this. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!